Did you know that some men spend their whole lives calling a cage by a different name? He had walked every road, slept under 100 different skies. When people asked why he never stayed, he smiled like a man who knew something they didn't. He called it freedom. He wore it like armor. Then a bad fall on a mountain pass took that armor away. For 3 weeks, he lay still in a stranger's home. No road to follow, no horizon to chase, just silence and the sound of his own breathing. And that was when he heard it. The thing he had been running from for years. It had no face, no name. It was simply him. The version of himself he had never been willing to sit with. Every step he had ever taken, every new village, every open road had been distance put between himself and that quiet. He was not a free man. He was just a fast one. Real freedom is not found on the road. It is found in the stillness you stop running from. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.